My name is Niranjan, science teacher for third standard and also class teacher for Ganachuki section. Dear children, we are sending the recorded videos to you because of pandemic coronavirus. So be stay in your home and be safe. Okay, my dear students, in this class we are going to discuss about the bridge course. First, we know the meaning of what is bridge course. Bridge, here bridge means connecting one end to other end, that is we called bridge. Okay, so here what you have learnt in second standard, we are giving the connection to the third standard. What will be going to learn in third standard, that means academic year 2020 and 2021 and 22. Okay, so here first we are going to discuss about the plant life. Dear children, already you have learnt in the second standard parts of a plant. Okay, once remember the parts of a plant. See here, parts of a plant are root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit, and one more extra part is seeds. You are going to learn about seeds also. Okay, now we recapitulate about all these parts of a plant and observe in the picture. Okay, first, root. Where is it growing? The root is growing below the soil. What is the color of the root? The color of the root is in brown color, depend upon the color of the soil. What is the function of the root? The root sending the water, minerals to all parts of the plant. So this is about the root. And what are going to be learned in third standard? Yes, in third standard you are going to be learn about types of fruit, types of root, functions of the root, and which roots are storing the food. You are going to learn about all these about the root. Okay. Now stem. Here the stem is a second part of a plant. Here stem, leaves, flower, fruits and seeds, all these parts grow above the soil. So that is we called a shoot system. Okay, here stem, it has branches, flowers, fruits and seeds. Here what is the function of the stem? Here the stem receives the water and minerals from the root and it sends to all parts of a plant and it gives support to the all parts of a plant. Okay, see, next, what is the color of the stem? Here the stem is in green color. Here the some stems are growing inside the soil. Which are those? Ginger, garlic, potato. All these are the stems grow inside the soil, and those are also edible stem. So edible means we are eating in our daily life. Okay, and sugar cane. Here sugar cane is also a stem. We are drinking the sugar cane juice, and we are preparing the jaggery and sugar. Okay, so this is you have learned in second standard. And what will be going to learn in third standard? Okay, see here in third standard you are going to learn meaning of trunk. Trunk, creepers, climbers, you are going to learn about all these meanings. Okay, next, leaves. Already you know that leaves are in green color. Okay, here already we know that leaves are called kitchen of a plant or food factory of a plant. Okay, so you have learned about these. In third standard you will be learn about what are the shapes of the plant, and you have learned why the leaves are in green color. You are going to be learn what is photosynthesis. Okay, which pigment is present in the leaves. You are going to learn about all these in third standard. Next, flower. Here flower is beautiful part of a plant. Okay, here the flowers are in different color: red color, white color, yellow color. Many are there. Example for flowers are jasmine, marigold, rose. Okay, many are there. Okay, so here we are eating some flower, that is cauliflower. Okay, see here in third standard you will be going to learn about the parts of a flower. You are going to learn about parts of a flower and its function. Okay, next part is fruits. Okay, already you know that fruits are is in sweet taste. Okay, you know mango, guava, papaya, watermelon, muskmelon. Many fruits are there in our surroundings. We are eating daily one by one. Okay, see what you have learned, what will be going to learn in third standard. Here in third standard you are going to be learn which fruits are having the many seeds, which fruits are having the single seeds. Okay, you have going to learn about these. Next, seeds. See, dear students, you are going to be learn about the seeds in the third standard. Here, what are the functions of the seeds? Okay, already we know that the all plants are growing by the seeds. When the seed gets proper air in the soil, automatically it grow. Okay. Next, here and also you are going to be learn which seeds are edible seeds. That means which seeds are we are eating in our life. You are going to be learn all about this in the third standard. Okay, my students, dear children, in our surrounding we are seeing the different things and animals. So you know more about those. See, I written some animals name and some things. All of you observe here. Dog, pencil, rat, bat, plate, elephant, key, table, snake, rock and duster. Okay, see what I have written on the board. What is the difference between them? See here, example, dog, rat, elephant, snake, all those are move from one place to another place and they are breathing. Okay, and they are eating the food. See here, which are moving from one place to another place and they show breathing and what they are eating, all those we called living things. Okay, which are moved from one place to another place and they show breathing and they eating, all those are called living things. See here, which are living things? Here I am writing living things, L. See here, dog, what is that? Living things. It moves from one place to another place. It eats something, example roti, rice, etc. Next, rat. Here rat is also move from one place to another place. It eat something, example jova, rice, etc. So this is also living thing. L means living thing. Next, elephant. So elephant is also moving and it eats sugar cane. So this is also living thing. Next, key. See, you have key in your home. Okay, so here the key is a non-living thing. Next, snake. Snake is also moving from one place to another place. It eats snakes. It eats rats, frogs, etc. So this is also living thing. L means living things. See here, all of you observe pencil, bat. What you are playing bat? That is plate, key, table, rock, duster. Are they moving from one place to another place? Are they eating anything? No. They are not eating. They are not moving from one place to another place. Okay. So the type of things we called non-living things. Which things are not moving Those are called non-living things. So here I am writing non-living things NL. See, pencil, non-living things. Bat, non-living thing. Plate, non-living thing. Okay. Next, key. Key is also non-living thing. Table, non-living thing. Rock, rock is also non-living thing. Duster, non-living thing. See, this is the duster. See, piece of chalk. So piece of chalk is also non-living thing. See, comb. Comb is also non-living thing. Chair. Chair is also non-living thing. See, textbook. This is also non-living thing. See, what are you watching your mobile? That is also non-living things. Here, non-living things can't move from one place to another place. See, here in third standard, what will be going to learn? In third standard, you are going to learn about the characteristics of living things. Living things move. Living things grow. We are studying about the growth of the animals. Living things breathe. How they are breathing. Okay. Next, living things feel. We are going to study about the feeling of animals or living things. Next, living things reproduce. Here, how the animals are going to reproduce. See, already you know that some animals are giving the birth to their young ones directly. Example, human being, dog, monkey, all those animals giving birth to their young ones directly. See, here some animals are giving birth to their young ones by egg. Example, hen, snake, frog, fishes. All those are giving birth to their young ones by egg. Okay, and one more character, living things going to be die. We are going to learn all these about in third standard. Okay, animal life. Dear children, in second standard you have learnt about the animal life. See, first one is wild animals and domestic animals. What is the meaning of wild animals? Which animals are living in jungle or in the forest? The type of animals we called wild animals. Example for wild animals: tiger, lion, leopard. Okay, all those are the example for wild animals. Okay, next, domestic animals. Here, domestic animals are living around us or someone are living in the farm. Which animals are grow in the farm? That type of animals we called domestic animals. Example, cow, buffalo, goat. All those are example for which one? Domestic animals. Here, some animals we love very much. Okay, that some animals are grow in our home. Example, dog, cat. Those are we called pet animals. Here, Domestic animals and pet animals, they need our love and affection. Okay. See, dear students, you have learnt these about in second standard. What you will be learn in third standard. See here, in third standard we are going to be learn food habits of animals. We are dividing the animals according to their food habits. And first one is herbivores. Herbivores. Second one, carnivores. And third one is omnivores. We are going to be studying in third standard herbivores, carnivores and omnivores in third standard, and we are going to be learn about food chain and their teeth structure in third standard. Thank you, my dear students, watching this video. We have meet in next class. Okay.